Hi, this is Larry Singyan. I'm doing a video demonstration of my project 3. As you can see, I have my photodiode on the breadboard, which is connected to digital pin 2 of the Arduino. That pin is configured for a falling edge interrupt, and that falling edge interrupt is triggered whenever we break the line of sight between the photodiode here, and up here we have the eye infrared LED, so they're in direct line of sight. So whenever like an obstruction goes in the way between these two, then that interrupt is triggered, and we can count the number of times that interrupt is triggered in a span of 1 second in order to get the revolutions per second. If we multiply that by 60, we get the revolutions per minute. So that's a straightforward explanation of how the code goes. Over here on the PC, I have my Python script running, which is the host that will be receiving the RPM data sent via serial by the Arduino to the PC. So I'm going to go ahead and run the script right now. So let's run it. Here we are in the... So as you can see here, it prints out the time and the RPM. And basically what's going to happen is that these values are going to be written into a text file. And we'll at the end of the script, we'll also get a plot. So right now it's showing 0 RPM because I'm not doing anything to break the line of sight. But the minute I break the line of sight like this, you can see it's going to start updating. So I'm going to break the line of sight once. There you go. It's showing 30 revolutions per minute because this code is configured for 2 propellers. So it's assuming that there's 2 different propeller blades that are running through and breaking the line of sight. But in reality, I'm just using a pen since I couldn't get a propeller running in time. But if I just keep doing this, you can see here I'm not going to break the line of sight, so we should see the values. Sorry if it's a little blurry, but it should be about 0 when I'm not doing anything. And then when I actually go back and I start breaking the line of sight, we should see the RPM steadily increase. So it's a little hard here, but you can take a look at my report on what these values are. So this should run for about another minute or so. So yeah, let's just run it. So you can see the values are pretty close to just 30 RPM since I'm doing it slowly. But if I go quickly like this, RPM is going to start increasing. You can see it's around 200, 300 or so. So it's going to keep doing this. Should be approaching 2 minutes soon, or 120 seconds. So, yep. Feel free to skip ahead so you don't have to watch me wiggle this pen over and over. Oh, there you go. Okay, looks like it's done. And the plot of instantaneous RPM showed up on my other monitor, but it's over here. You can see the RPM was increasing whenever I was increasing the movement of the pen, and whenever I'm not, there's no obstruction between the IR LED and the photodiode, the RPM just goes down to about 0. So let me see if I can make this bigger. Nope, I cannot. So yeah, that's it for the video demonstration. Thank you so much for watching.